I love my country, I love my country. 6 strings and fiddles, whiskey from Kentucky. We keep it funky, we like how it sounds. Monday to Sunday, I love my country. Up and loud and proud, rolling into town, hanging out the window like a blue tick count. Ain't sorry, ain't nothing to be sorry about. I love my country, I love my country. Up and loud. Hey everybody, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play I Love My Country by Florida Georgia Line, which I think is more about country music than saying that they love the USA. But I like to believe both are true. So anyway, this song is pretty great. It's a new single, no capo, standard tuning. You are literally going to use 2 chords this entire song. So the hardest part will probably be like the strumming pattern, which is still not even that difficult, okay? So let's get started with it. Oh, real quick, if you like this video, if you enjoy it, please hit the like button and subscribe so you can see when I come out with new videos. And for everyone that already has come out with them, or that has subscribed to me, thank you. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. So, all right, so the first chord you're going to use for this is A, okay? All right, that's it. So you do A, and that's like probably 70% of the song is just A, okay? You're also, then the other one you're going to use is E, okay? So the way that it starts, the intro is just one, and then you do 2, and then you're going to start just, okay, so I'm going down, 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 okay, down, so it's kind of like this. Wait, see if you can watch my hand pretty close here. So you kind of do that, and then you wait for like a split second. Do like that, down, down, down. Okay, so you're gonna play that like twice. So you do that first, down, and then you go down, down, and then you're gonna play through that for like 2 measures, just A. Okay, that's all you do for the intro, and then you're gonna play a lot softer during the verses. Now for the verses, I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can palm mute it, or sorry, not palm mute it, you can strum it, okay? So you can just do, out here ain't nothing but woods and water, drop a deer from a stand, catch a fish with a bobber, okay? So that whole part is A. Then you're going to switch to E, okay? So you're going to go, drink a beer out the can, liquor out the bottle, how the good Lord intended it, yes he did, all right? Always kills me as someone who's never had alcohol, but all right, so anyway, you see that, so I'm just doing, okay, that's all I'm doing for that. That's a really good way to do it because the verses are much quieter. Like, they barely even have guitar during them. In fact, they're like having a banjo and a lot of other stuff. So you can just do it if the strumming pattern's hard for you, just do that. Okay, because the point of the strumming pattern is not necessarily to do it exactly like they do in the song, because when you play it acoustically, you're not playing every single note the same way that they are, right? Like, I'm not teaching you how to go, okay? I'm not showing you how to do that, because this is more for like entry-level people. So it's more just the rhythm guitar is just that, it's the rhythm, all right? So you're just trying to do, all right, that's one way to do the verses, okay? Or you can do it the same way you're doing the intro, all right? Out here ain't nothing but woods and water, drop a deer from a stand, catch a fish with a bobber, drink a beer out the can, liquor out the bottle, how the good Lord intended it, yes he did. All right, so I guess it's not exactly the same as the intro. It's more like down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, does that make sense? That's very similar to the intro. It's not exactly the same, and it's also similar, but again, not exactly the same as the chorus. So the chorus goes, and again, it's A for most of it. It's I love my country, I love my country, 6 strings and fiddles, whiskey from Kentucky. Okay, that's all A. Then you go to E is we keep it funky, we like how it sounds. Monday, and then back to A. Monday to Sunday, yeah, I love my country, up and loud and proud. And then you can play it very similar. Did you see that? You can play it very similar, the strumming, to the verse. Play it loud and proud, rolling into town. So you could even kind of do it like that if you're a really beginner. Play it loud and proud, rolling into town. All right, so you can do it pretty much the same as the verses. Loud and proud, rolling into town. So that's a little bit different. I'm playing it just faster, basically. Loud and proud, rolling into town. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you can play it like faster. That's how I was doing it at the end of it. So, and that's basically how the entire song goes. So once you finish through the chorus, you're going to do, so I love my country, I love my country, I love my country up loud. Okay, I'm saying that wrong, but so then you just, for the interlude, I found a tab online that says you play A then G, and that sounds horrible to me. There's not a G in there, unless I'm just like tone deaf, and I normally am not, so it's, you just play the A, okay? Through the interlude when you're going from the chorus to the verse, okay? Okay, so then when you go to verse 2, it's the same thing. Barbecue, steak fries, styrofoam, play date night, stored straight, singing some grades while we turning up, sitting lakeside. That pedal steel, she's straight sliding over here. Okay, so that's E. Okay, so you can see the strumming pattern's exactly the same. All right, so then when you do the interlude the second time, so after the chorus, you're gonna do I love my country. Let's see, I'm going to play it a little bit closer because otherwise I get it wrong. Let's see. Hanging out the window like a blue-tick hound. Ain't sorry, ain't nothing to be sorry about. I love my country and I love my country up loud. Okay, then you're going to stick with A. Alright, you're going to go, I love my country up loud. Okay, then you go to E. Babe, I'm talking way up loud. And then you go back to A. Okay, then you just go to the third verse, where it's I like pop and I like pop and rock and rap and I like Skinnered. Okay, all right. So then that's the entire song. So the interlude, the outro is basically the same thing at the end. So you just do that. Yeah, baby. Then you go. So it's A. And again, they say to use a G here on the tab I found online, and that is not right. All right, so you go A. Yeah, I love my country up loud. Yeah, way up loud. And you just end on A. And that's how you end it, okay? So that's the whole song. Let me know if you have any questions or anything. I know sometimes the strumming pattern can be kind of hard. I hope that, kind of zooming in a little bit without actually zooming in on the guitar helps you guys if me slowing it down and stuff. But let me know if you have any questions or any requests for other songs you'd like to learn. So thanks, guys. It's been fun as always, and I'll see you next time.